Divide 621 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down these 2 and it is 12. 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 2. So again we put down this 1 and it is 21. 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 1. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put Jeff. So it is 10 and 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get Jeff. So 621 divided by 5 is 124 decimal 2. So this much for today and thanks for watching.